Where are the hidden treasures in your SAP HANA data center? How can you innovate without constraints? Join me as I interview Jordan Tao, Senior Director of Product Marketing at SAP, to learn the key benefits of choosing the SAP Enterprise Edition. There are two ways that customers can buy SAP products, Runtime and Enterprise. So Jordan, tell us a bit about the difference between those two.
Customer purchase the SAP application, they can choose the Runtime Edition and Enterprise Edition. But the Runtime Edition only support the SAP application. For the Enterprise Edition, it actually can support all different type of applications, like a custom built application, third-party application. That's a really key differentiator. And the second one is all the Runtime Edition SAP HANA features will only support SAP applications. But with the Enterprise Edition, you actually can fully leverage all the core SAP HANA capabilities. So that is really gives the customer a lot of benefits.
Yeah, let's dig into that a bit more. So in terms of the features that you get with the Enterprise Edition, talk a bit more about that.
Yes, as you may know, SAP HANA is actually becomes the key business data platform, support all different type of applications. And right now, all the businesses, users, or customers are really collecting multiple different type of data around their customer, around their businesses to want to find out more about how their customer is acting, it's doing the business, how the business is running. And all the different type of data in the past, you have to process them in the separated data server or different technical stacks. Right now, with SAP HANA, you can do all the data processing within a single HANA in-memory data platform, which really can simplify your IT infrastructure and then lower your total cost. That really gives the customer a lot of benefits to use the SAP HANA Enterprise Edition.
And also you talked about different applications. So most organizations have very heterogeneous environments, right? Very rarely will you find just one company delivering all the applications, and end users like the applications that they have. So the Enterprise Edition opens the door for companies to use whatever applications they have to keep all that harmony in place and build upon it, right?
Yes, and the benefit for this one is SAP HANA Enterprise Edition can support all of them. And beyond the run on top of the SAP HANA platform, SAP also brings a lot of intelligent technologies like the streaming capabilities. Those technologies really can help the customer to build some innovations applications to help businesses drive more competitive advantage. So the customer really can leverage those intelligent technology before SAP application are fully use those new technologies. So for example, IoT scenario, a lot of businesses are using this new sensor technology to put all those sensors around their devices and to really want to monitor the devices and really build up the digital twin world. And in this digital twin, they actually can use HANA streaming capability to analyze what is happening in the physical world and help them make a better business decision. And all those intelligent technology, the customer can leverage and use them to do some innovation project before SAP application are really use it in with the HANA Enterprise Edition. So that's a benefit our customer can fully leverage from the enterprise.
Well, and that's really key these days, because to innovate you have to be using some of the newer technologies, and AI and machine learning and IoT, to your point, these are very powerful technologies, and the innovator doesn't want to suffer from the innovator's dilemma, right?
Yes.
They want to move quickly, right?
Yes, so with those kind of innovations like machine learning, SAP HANA really building a lot of machine libraries within the database. You do not need to move the data outside of database. You can immediately analyze those data within the in-memory SAP HANA data platform. That gives the customer a lot of computing power to get more deeper insight from those business data. And then beyond that, if you already have some new applications with the HANA Enterprise Edition, you can easily access those core ERP data because you can access the data through the database layer.
Right.
But if you only have the Runtime Edition, you can only access the core business data through the SAP application, which will be some like RFC interfaces or the protocols that people need to know, and the ABAP programming language they need to know. But for the Enterprise Edition, you can have a much easier way to access the core ERP data through the database layer. which gives you more flexibility to analyze the information you need.
Sure, more flexibility. I think the bottom line is that Enterprise Edition opens up so many doors, right? If you want to allow yourself the latitude and the agility to really get things done, that's why you want Enterprise Edition.
That's right. We do want our customer really thinking about those runtime edition and the enterprise edition and understand the value from the enterprise edition and to really leverage those flexibility and simplification and the lower total cost from the enterprise edition to get more value out of it.
Enterprise Edition, that's what I'm hearing. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Excellent, thank you so much.